Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learn Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. It's a beautiful day in the week. You have the possibility to wish songs, and I bring one or two up every Wednesday. That's the deal, and this time we have you, Gruvgear, I think that is your name. You asked for the song called Unsightly. I think it's Skele is doing that. So Unsightly, new to me. Probably not for you, but still, here we are, and it's your song. And the best way to thank me is to go and check out my new YouTube channel. That is the way you're gonna thank me. You're gonna go in there and click the link somewhere up here. It's Scoring Guitar 6 strings ago. You're gonna learn a full song from the beginning till the end. I need your help, guys, to grow that channel. And it's a different way to educate you from this. I'm gonna play a full song for you from beginning till the end, and I'm gonna show you the chords. It's a playthrough. Just follow along and learn in that way. Great. So thank you, Gruvgear, for going and check out my new channel, and everybody else who's watching this, feel free. Thank you so much. Now let's go into this one. No need for any capo here. We have two chords only, and they go back and forth, alternate each other. So the first one is this E major 7 sus2. Okay, so we have a bar from down and up 5 strings, so all strings except from that last E string, on the 2nd fret, like this. Then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 4th B. But you're also gonna incorporate the open E string. So all strings are used here, all the way down. That's the E major 7, sus2, and then you're gonna alternate that with this. This is the G sharp minor 7. So it's another bar, this time on the 4th fret, and this time you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 6 on A. And that's the second and final chord. So you're gonna go from this to this, back and forth, okay? So you're gonna start with the melody first. You're gonna go with this E major based melody. What you're gonna hold here is the index finger on the 2nd fret A string, and I prefer to hold my ring finger on the 4th fret D string. Okay, so that is the first position for this grip. When you're gonna play this, so open E string in the bass, then 2nd A, then back to open E, then 4th D, a short little pause there, and then comes 2nd A, open E, and back to 2nd A. So slowly. That is one round. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds, so. Then you're gonna do this. Okay, you keep that index finger on the 2nd fret A, but your ring finger goes up here on the 4th fret E string, and your mid finger to the 3rd fret G string. Okay, so I think this is the best way to hold it. Okay, so that is the G sharp based melody. It goes like this. For 2 rounds. Okay, so the first note here will be the 4th fret E string, 4th E, then 2nd A, then back to 4th E, then comes this 3rd fret G, then 2nd A, 4th E, and 2nd A. So slowly. And 2 rounds in standard. And then back. Great. Beautiful melody right there. Okay, but if you're gonna go with some strumming and mix that up, you can go with this from the beginning till the end. That's what's going on. But if you want to mix it up with some strumming, we have 2 versions here. So now, of course, you need to hold the full chords as they are. So we're gonna start with this E major 7 and learn the strumming pattern 1. Okay, so it goes like this. So it follows the melody. So you're gonna play down, up, a short little pause, and then up, down, up. So down, up, down, up. Couple rounds. And then you shift to and so on. All right, that's the first version of strumming. Now the second one is more on the beat, and what you're gonna do here now is to replace one down with a clap instead. So you're gonna play down, up, and then the next down you replace with a clap. So clap up. So down, up, clap up. A short little pause, and then comes up, and then you replace that down again. So clap up. So one round with this version goes down, up, clap up, clap up. And that's it. That's how you do it. Rip Siggy. You have Unsightly with 2 chords, a couple of strumming patterns if you want, or melody. That's it. Okay. So don't forget, go and check out Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. That's the new channel you have to subscribe to. And yeah, it's a good way to just start off your Wish Wednesday journey. You can do that before you get your song. That's even better for me. I can see that. And yeah, maybe, you know what. Anyway, still, thank you for being here on this channel. Hope to see you soon. Till next time, play it soon.